Ekikorwa eki kibire omu kyaro kya Mabare North omu town kanso ya Mabare omu district ya Kagadi omu magingo ga shahanka 8 z'ekiro burikusheshera izooba keyayokibwa ne House Katatumbwa orumwari mu muzigiti gwa Burora omu district ya Kagadi okurugerera abatura House abire natura n'omukyara we n'omwana wabo w'emyaka 3 owafera omu rogu. Abazire bo biho mu rogu barikubimunonga kandi bayirukangizibwa irware rihanga rya Murago okutunga obujanja bikanda babokize n'amajuta ga petroli.
I told him, let us go out, and then we come. And then I hear this side, there is noise, help me, help me. And then he was inside to put the clothes, I ran behind here. When I ran here, I saw they put that stick this side and this side. Then where there is a door, they put it there, some wire. Then this side, they tie it near that neighbor, they tie it with the rope. Then I told him, come and see those people, come and see as if they need trouble, come and help them. Then he ran, he reached on the door, he saw those things on fire, there are many down.
Angaba kiausi katetembwa Mabare okumokeza munju. Twaija tusangiye basibireho aheru batereho ekiti. Maze kuteka hekiti nenga twasara magezi twachwa beningi waye beira aheru mazire gichwa twatwa hamunda tusangira omusajja ali mu mbera zibi wena ahire ngo ezo nazihoyireho mukazi ahiro mutegonda guhoyireho.
Abamwe bagira ngo bagerezo kwirikira abantu abakubiyo munju bitu bagira ngo umwana yaba yafire.
Open the door, the woman is shouting, please help me, you people come and help me, give me. And then he told the wife husband, please give me that knife. And then they start to shake the door.
Chonka kuterera abantu borabo ino butakengangana n'omuntu iwe yambe ogendo mbakulembezi obuzira bazira insonga mbayimale muleke kukole kikora kya mulingo ogwate bayitiremu omwana ataine musango omukazi abarataine musango balekere ekyandiko ngu abatamire oburogo obusihani kwenda bakabasayija hati norurango omukazi abataine haragenderamu
batandika kusobora ntulole enjure twayitakatahire mu haro police kuki abantu bagezeni bakanya bwire bwakya bwire bukeye hajja police ya Kagadi bakingiraho bayihamu mtundo gw'omwana ebintu byona inyuma byona bishire.
Sheikh Haji Singoma Muhammad ori district kazi wa Kibare Muslim district erukutwara Kagadi hamwe na Kibare nagira ngo ibikorwa nkebe nakora hane bijumera nahabwe cy'abantu begarukemu.
Qur'ani kabijumira muno kandi kibiri bya Busilamu kandi Qur'ani mu suratu Maida katugamba omuntu wena aito omuntu omu Allah mutekaho musango nkaisira abantu abensi yona nabwekyo kiri kikorwa kibi muno twesoroizano n'obusasi bwingi tugenda kuzika.
Omukira kutwahandikiraho amakuru aga polisi ya Kagadi yabahereze kuhikaho bwiso bwakorerwa bitu yabasa kugambira ha kamera zeitu gasha kwa Thomas tumwebaze.